Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to add the checklist on your Canva Docs on your computer or PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a checklist on your Canva Docs or Canva document on your computer, just going to show in this video. For example, here I just type all the checklist I just need for my thing. So like fruits, book, box, pencil, bag, rubber, scale, like that. So I just need to change this to the checklist. So first of all, select the things you just need to create as checklist, and you can have a two option. You can just use the floating bar on the top. It will switch to the list, numbering, and list. Otherwise, click on this plus symbol with a quick action. Here you just type as check. Just type as check. So you have an option called checklist here. Just click this, it automatically changes to checklist. So now you can just click on the checklist. It will be strike like this, like I just completed, I just buy the book, I just buy the pencil, like that. So it's super simple to create a checklist like this. It's so useful for your education purpose. You can just try this on your Canva Docs. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.